Ever sneezed when you stepped into bright sunlight? That's called the photic sneeze reflex, or sun sneezing. This quirky reaction happens to about 35% of people. When you move from a dark place to bright sunlight, your eyes might water or feel a sudden tickle in your nose, triggering a sneeze. It's all because of crossed wires in your brain. Your optic nerve reacts to the sunlight, and somehow your sneeze reflex gets activated too. It's completely harmless, but if you're a sun sneezer, be ready with a tissue when you step outside.